I mean,
This is cool.
Ooh. Everyone, be quiet. You can hear my stomach.
There's something wrong with you.
So cool.
It's quite a light show.
Yeah, it just keeps on going and going in one place.
That cloud has lots of energy. Oh, and now it's to the left of us as well. Maybe we should go inside and look at the weather radar.
Maybe
You think?
we could just get hit by a tornado while we're watching this.
I don't know. That
That's
cloud doesn't
extremely
look tornadic.
unlikely.
It's not extremely unlikely. There's a tornado watch out right now.
Not in our area.
Yes.
Tarrant County is our area.
The entire, all the counties in North Texas.
No.
No, that was the warning.
I feel like it's moving closer to